Most Canadians are doing finance wrong. I share the system that actually works. I'm Theo Varn, and this is Varn Capital Labs, where we break down the systems behind real wealth building in Canada. In the last two videos, we covered why most Canadians stay broke even with a good salary, and why the TFSA is the most misused wealth tool in the country. Today I'm going to show you the full picture, the actual system, how income becomes capital, how capital compounds, and how you build something that lasts. This is the video I wish existed when I started my financial journey. Most Canadians approach money reactively. Money comes in, bills get paid, whatever's left gets saved, maybe invested, maybe not. There's no architecture behind it, no structure, just hope that it adds up over time. And hope is not a wealth strategy. The people quietly building real wealth in Canada are not smarter. They're not earning more. They're operating with a very specific system, a repeatable structure that works whether they think about it or not. The system has 4 layers. Layer 1, income optimization. Before you invest a single dollar, you need to know what you're actually keeping. That means understanding your marginal tax rate, using your RRSP strategically to reduce taxable income, and making sure you're not leaving government programs or employer matching on the table. Most Canadians skip this layer entirely, and it costs them thousands every year. Layer 2, allocation. Every dollar that comes in needs a destination before it arrives, not after. A simple split: fixed expenses, wealth-building contributions, and lifestyle spending. The exact percentages depend on your income and goals, but the structure is non-negotiable. Money without a destination becomes lifestyle inflation. Layer 3, automated investing. This is where most people stall. They plan to invest but never pull the trigger consistently. The fix is automation. Set up a pre-authorized contribution into your TFSA or RRSP every pay period. Same day every time, same amount. No decisions, no emotion. The system runs whether the market is up or down. Layer 4, protection. This is the most overlooked layer. One medical emergency, one job loss, one bad decision with no buffer can reset years of progress. Protection means an emergency fund of 3 to 6 months of expenses, proper insurance coverage, and a risk management framework inside your portfolio. You build offense and defense at the same time. Most people jump straight to layer 3. They open a brokerage account, buy something, and hope for the best. But without layer 1, they're paying more tax than necessary. Without layer 2, contributions are inconsistent. Without layer 4, one bad event wipes the portfolio. The system only works when all 4 layers are in place and in order. Think of it like a building. You don't start with the roof, you start with the foundation. Income optimization is the foundation, allocation is the structure, automated investing is the engine, protection is the roof. Miss any layer and the whole system is fragile. Let me make this concrete. You earn $80,000 a year in Canada. After tax, roughly $60,000 hits your account. That's $5,000 a month. Layer 1. You contribute to your RRSP strategically to bring your taxable income down. You recover some of that in your refund and redirect it. Layer 2. $3,000 goes to fixed expenses. $1,000 goes to wealth-building contributions, split between TFSA and RRSP. $1,000 is lifestyle. That's it, every month, automatic. Layer 3. That $1,000 in contributions gets deployed automatically into a simple ETF portfolio the same day it lands. No timing, no guessing. Layer 4. You maintain a $15,000 emergency buffer in a high-interest account outside your investment accounts. Separate, untouched. That is the system. It is not complicated, but most Canadians never build it. Wealth is not always built by earning more. It can be built by having a system that works automatically, consistently, and in the right order. In the next video, I'll break down the 3 accounts every Canadian needs to build wealth, and exactly how to structure them. If you're serious about building wealth in Canada, subscribe. No noise, no hype, just the system.